Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I finished the tutorial. I'm wearing my cardigan, and I must say I'll be taking it off soon. It is rather warm today for a cardigan. I think we've got about 25 degrees up here near Newcastle where I live, and it's a lot warmer. You don't need cardigans on, but I've just kept it on because I've just finished the tutorial showing how to finish the sewing up and the band and everything, and I haven't put it up yet, but I will after this. I sort this video up. But I am on today for to reveal who has won the little set. This little set. When I asked you how many yarn labels were in the bag. Now I'm going to read you all the answers I got, and then I'll tell you, after that I'll tell you how many labels was in the bag and who's got the nearest to it. And it started off with a lady called Wendy Haynes. She said 480. Joan Savage, she said 250. Tracy Ashman, she said 420. Cornwall Crochet, she said 151. Samantha Price said 525. Carol Godfrey, 235. Denise Taylor, 300. Sheila Hutchings, 125. Julie T, 66. And some of you ladies gave two answers. I said you could choose more than once. You didn't have to stick to the one time. I would still give you whether your first answer was right or your second answer was right. So there was Mitzi Kalodi was 310 and 290. And Scotty Cat, she said 432 and 340. And Gwen Joyce said 375. Sylvia Barnes, 225. And Dottie Dolly said 569. Leslie Byrne, 345. Irene Pyra, 395. Scotty Cat, 340. Alison Dwyer, 567. Susan Morell, 273. Bobby McGee, or Miranda, 288. And Shell Chronicles, 688 and 347. And Susan Callahan, she said, she had three choices, 159, 319 and 222. And Sharon Green, 238. Liz Foreman, 404. Joan Ward, 250 and 165. She had two choices. And Miss Marple, 379. And I was Claire Rotten, 203. Dietra Verda, 33, or DITRVDE, 33. I don't know how you pronounce that. Was 526. And Laurie Peterson, also known as Josie, 224. Totally Unravelled, 135. Leslie Byrne, 198 and 321. Marion Boer, 376, or Bauer, I'm not sure how you pronounce that one. And Pauline C1N, I think it is, she said 520 or 660. And Margaret Reed said 392. Ross Brooks said 203. Anne Parker said 325. Mary Clark said 350. And Diddy Pacho Maria 305. Marie Flynn 185. Susan Fryer 616. And Margaret Mitchell 258 or 259. And Nicola Skelton 99. Margaret King 497. Gillian Rowe 287 or 174. And David Murphy or Patricia was 365. And that was all. And there was actually 296. And I'm checking because one or two are quite near. And it was either between Mitzi Collodi or Denise Taylor. Mitzi Collodi had 290, so that makes her 6 off. And Denise Taylor had 300, 4 off. So it's Denise Taylor. You have won that little set, Denise. I don't know if I have your name and address, but if I haven't, send me an email. The email is in the description box on my channel. I had a look through my book and see if I have one or two people called Taylor, but I'm not sure whether I have Denise in. I'll go through anyway and check it. But you are the winner, Denise, so if I haven't got your name and address, well, I have your name, but your address, send me a message, an email. And like I said, the email is in my description box, or look on the information on my channel. That is all you have to do to find my email address. And then I will send this off to you. So, sorry for the rest of you who didn't get it right. You got all wrong. You had a few choices, but that was just one of my little giveaways. I may do another one now and again, you know, just you need to watch the channel to find out. But I am doing a little bit this knitting here, but I would be going out to do a little bit more work in my garden because it is very warm today and I need to get rid of a few of the weeds. But I do have just a little picture to show you what this cardigan looks like. A better look at the whole cardigan, what I did it for my for the tutorial I'm putting up, so I will put it on here and show you what it actually looks like, the full thing. Well everyone, that's the finished cardigan, and anyone that's been following along, I hope you liked how it came out finished. You can see all around. So that is the end of that tutorial. I'll have to look for some other yarn to make another one for myself. So that was a better look at my cardigan. I hope you all liked it. I'll have to work out what I'm going to do for myself next. But I do have a lot of wool that I've put away to keep for myself. I just need to pick something else out. I don't know if I'll do another tutorial, whatever I'm making, because it does take me a long time. And people get impatient, you know. Because I have noticed when I first put the first part of the the cardigan up. There was an awful lot of viewers, but a lot of those dropped off because I don't think they wanted to wait for the other parts. But I'm sorry I can't do something like this in one go like I can with the baby things, because they don't take so long to knit. But this one just takes so long. I couldn't just sit and do all the, and then even putting all the bits together afterwards is just too much, too long. It would be an awful long video. But anyway, that's my little bit for today. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.